Okay guys, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to set up a business page on Facebook. Now, just to be clear here, a business page is separate from your personal page where you're sharing content for your friends and family and so forth, which you should also be sharing stuff out there too to attract business. But for a business page, you're going to use that mostly for running paid advertisements too. So what we're going to do is you're going to go to the pages section in Facebook. Now they change how Facebook looks all the time, so you're going to need to investigate to try to find out where that is. But if you see at the top up here, currently the current layout of Facebook, up the top up here, this would be like your home section. You got this little flag here. This is Facebook's symbol for business pages, and this has been pretty consistent for a number of years in terms of this symbology indicating a page. But we're going to go ahead and we're on the pages section here. We're going to go ahead and click on create new page right here. Let's create a new page. Let's give this a name. Make it short but descriptive for your business. Obviously, you'd want to try to match it to the actual name of your business if you have one already established. So let's go ahead and set this up as Framingham Window Cleaning. Okay, and then now you got to put in a category here. So you can start typing and then it's going to give you some suggestions in here. So this is for window cleaning. Let's just try cleaning service. Perfect. Okay, and then you could add in other categories as well. You can add up to 3. I'm just going to use that one for now. And then I could put in a little description here. You got a limit of 255 characters. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and create our page here. So this is just giving you like a little preview. We'll be able to change all that information. So it's just checking to see if there's any other sites out here. So there we go. We got our page created. Now, let's just click that little X there. We can add in a little profile picture. Profile picture is going to be this picture you see right here. I don't have one, so let's just go out and do a quick search here real quick for window cleaner. Okay, so I'll just use this one for right now. Now, ideally, you don't want to use someone else's pictures, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use this image right here. Actually, I'll use this one right here. All right. Save image as. Okay. Let's go back over here. Let's add in our profile picture. Okay, window cleaner, open. And if I need to, I could like drag this around a little bit. I think I actually have to do that on the next page. Anyways, that's good enough for now. Let's go ahead and put in a picture up here. Let's see if we can use that same image. It might be too small, but let's test that out. Add cover photo. You'd actually probably want to use something a little different, something that has maybe like your name in it. You could use a software out there that's called Canva.com. So that's CANVA.com. You could go in and you could put like a nice text overlay with the business's name. So Framingham Window Cleaning. You can put like a call to action of like call now or click below to get get a quote or message us or something like that. I'll set that up in a separate video, but for right now, let's just power through finishing this page here. And okay, so here's where I could like drag this to reposition this. Now, again, you will want to use imagery that is ideally your own. You can go out and try to get it from Google, but just look to make sure that you're not using someone's stock photo that has watermarks. And then also when you're doing your searches out on Google too, take a look at, let's see, I think it's under tools. Yeah, go to tools, go to usage rights, and make sure that you're using images that show up under Creative Commons as opposed to commercial and other licenses. That way you're not using someone's image that they could come back and indicate that you're using their images. Okay, moving along here. Let's reposition that guy right there. That's perfect. And let's hit save. Okay, so now we've got the basics of our page created. I could click on view as visitor here. I could see what this looks like. And on that, I could go ahead and start creating a post. Now, I'm not going to cover this in this particular video, but you could set up automated posting for content on here. I definitely suggest that you should probably Sit down one day a week, maybe spend an hour or two, and just create content that you're going to schedule to go on your business page every single day, at least once a day. And that way you can build a presence out here. That way when you start to run ads, if someone goes to check out your business page, they'll see that there's content in here and it's not old content from years ago. Other steps that you can do, you can go in and edit like the about section. So let me just go back here. I'm going to exit view as. Okay, so let's go to the about section. Again, they've moved this around. So you could go into the about section and enter in location and so forth. You could rename the description. Let's go ahead and enter in a location here. I'm just going to put in here Framingham, Massachusetts. Okay, and I could put in a zip code too if I wanted. If my page didn't have a location, then I would just go ahead and press that. Since this is a window cleaning business, they're usually going to come to you. There's usually no need for you to go in, so there's not going to be a location here. Let's click X there. And then if I had a website, I would go ahead, click in there, and put in my website. Okay. You can see after you click out of it, there's no like submit button. You click out of it, it brings you back to this page, and then it adds that information in here. We could add in a phone number. I'm not going to add that in. You could set up email. That way they could email you. So you could put in, let's see, Framingham window cleaning at gmail.com. Okay. And you can add in your business hours and edit your categories and so forth. And then where it says 0 people follow this, I haven't started adding people to this, so you could reach out to your friends. You could go over here to these little 3 dots here, and then invite your friends to begin liking your page now. Now, I don't suggest running any paid ads to get people to like your page. That's a waste of money. You really don't need that. You just need maybe about 50 to 100 people to like your page. All right, hopefully this video helps. That's the basics of setting up your Facebook business page.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This will allow you to be notified whenever a new videos is uploaded.